All right, this is a quick instructional video on how to actually clean a filter in one of these units. This is a heat pump by YMGI. Pretty much probably the same for all heat pumps, but I just want to do this video real quick to give you an idea as to how to clean this. So first thing you want to do is you're going to open this up by just peeling this. There's actually 4 tabs across, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what you want to do next is pick up on this a little bit. Be very careful not to touch these in the back because that'll actually kind of push the fins down. You don't want to do that, but just pull this down, right? And this filter is actually quite clean, but what we're going to do next is you just want to wash this filter off in, the shower or something like that. Clean it off real quick, then shake it off, make sure that it's dry, and then you're going to put that filter right back up inside there. It kind of fits right inside, and push up and then push the tabs back in place, so it's just like that, and then you're going to close the unit like that. That's it. Thank you.